So I turned on my PC and sound system is not working anymore, and no devices are being discovered, etc. So what I'm gonna do now is, what you are going to do now is go to start button and type cmd, which is command prompt, and run it as administrator. Okay, after that, what you are going to do is copy paste the commands you seen in the note. As you can see, just copy each one, copy and paste it in the cmd. After you do all those, it will start working again. As you can see in the video, the second one, wait for it, finish. Third one, copy, paste, wait for it, finish. And the third one, which will turn it on. And as you can see, it's back and working. And the devices are discovered again. This is it. 30 seconds of your life didn't go for a waste. See you in the next video if I find another issue, of course. So, bye.